is solar distress. If it's, summer or even like this, just if the tub's empty, you don't want it to have the cover off it for any amount of time.
Okay.
You want to make sure the cover's on it at all times.
Right.
Because, this is essentially a big satellite dish. If this is sitting out in the sun for any amount of time, it's going to heat up very, very quickly.
Got it.
And especially in the summer, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes in that sun, this will start to bubble and crack.
Okay.
And, we can come out and fix something like that, but it will never look the same.
Understood.
So
Yeah,
just
that makes sense.
In general, you're going to want to keep that cover on at all times when this is empty. The only time this...
When you say empty, I mean, I don't think that any given point we'd ever have it empty. It'll always have water.
Yeah, the only time this will probably be empty is when you drain and refill the tub.
Right.
Or if you're going to be gone for an extended period of time and you drain the tub and winterize it. So...
Don't have to worry about that.
Okay. But those are just the only times that I can foresee it being empty.
Got it.
Which, with draining and refilling it, especially if there's going to be a lot of people in here all the time,
there will be.
You're probably going to want to do that probably about 4 times a year.
Not a chance. It'll probably happen twice a month.
Twice a month? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's even better.
It's pretty disgusting.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's vile.
Other than that, though, I think that's pretty much it.
Do we have enough hose to reach over to here?
That's a good question.
I mean,
it's kind of like crawled up.
I'd say if it goes over the top of that, I bet you we could.
Yeah.
That's a big if.
The only time that you're going to want to use this handle, though, is when you go to close it like this. You pull it forward.
Ah, got it. Okay.
There are also cover clips like this on the back.
Right.
You're probably not going to want to use those, though, because the cover assist will hold it down just fine.
Just fine, yeah.
And if you put them in and then forget they're there, you can end up ripping the cover assist or the cover that way.
Right.
So,
well, it's often that people do break those things. They forget they're on there trying to lift it up and they yank and jerk on them and they're broken more often than not. So really the only panel that does need access on this tub is just to the front. Yeah. So that should be it. Okay.
I'd say the side ones are for if like special cases, you got a leak back there, you want to change it.
Something. Okay, got it. And we have enough access, which is fine at this point, so...
Yeah, that's
the requirement is for the front, because that's the one where in an emergency situation, something's going wrong, electrical issue, I don't know.
Right.
But in emergency situations, one person needs to be able to get into the front door with no...
Okay, great. All right. Well, that's pretty straightforward.
last thing I need from you is a couple